Hi everyone, today we're making these easy, rich and buttery cranberry orange shortbread cookies. This is episode number 5 of holiday recipes where I share delicious recipes for you to try this holiday season. So without further ado, let's get started. In a large bowl, you're going to combine together some unsalted butter, granulated sugar, salt, and vanilla extract. Now this might look like it's a lot of butter, but this is shortbread cookies, which means it's going to be very rich and buttery, so you're going to need all of that butter. Beat this on medium-high speed until it's nice and creamy. You can do this using a hand or stand mixer or even a wooden spoon. Next, I'm adding in the last ingredient, which is all-purpose flour. Give this a good mix and then you're going to switch to your hands because the mixer is going to be very dry and crumbly, so you'll have to knead it with your hands. You're going to knead this dough until everything comes together, which takes about 4 to 5 minutes. What I love about this recipe is how simple it is to make. This is like the base shortbread cookie dough, and then after you make this dough, you can add whatever you like to make different flavors. And since we're making cranberry orange, we're going to add in dried cranberries and some orange zest. I was flavoring half of this as a different flavor, so I did take some of the dough, and then I added in dried chopped cranberries and orange zest. Don't worry, the written recipe on my website and the ingredients that are coming on the screen are the ingredients for making one full batch. If you're only making one flavor, add the orange zest in the beginning with the butter and sugar and the dried cranberries with the flour. Once your dough has come together, you're going to go ahead and put this out onto a very well floured surface, and we're going to roll this out into a square or rectangle that's about 1/4 inch in thickness. The shortbread cookie dough will not be dry, it will not be sticky either, it's going to have the perfect consistency. Once you've rolled out your dough, use any cookie cutter you'd like. I'm using a 2.5-inch cookie cutter to cut out your cookies. Now, since there are dried cranberries in here, you can press in any dried cranberries that stick out like this to make it nice and smooth. Repeat this process until you've used up all of your dough. You can bring the scraps back together again, roll it out, and cut out more cookies. You do not have to waste any dough. Once you've cut out your cookies, place those onto a lined baking sheet. You can place quite many in one tray because they do not spread very much. You're going to chill that for 30 minutes and then bake in an oven preheated to 160 degrees Celsius for about 17 to 20 minutes until the sides are very lightly golden brown. Once baked, let those cookies cool completely. And there you have it, your delicious cranberry orange shortbread cookies are ready to go. This recipe is simple, it is quick, it is so good and very easy, so make sure you try it out this holiday season. The cookie is crispy on the outside and has a buttery center. Honestly, I could eat the entire batch in one sitting. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes just like this one. Like the video if you liked it and comment down below if you've tried this recipe or if there's anything else you'd like me to make. And as always, thank you so much for watching.